Hello and welcome to this educational tutorial in veterinary clinical anatomy channel. Let's get started. This 11-day-old puppy died from internal hemorrhage caused by trauma. The thoracic cavity is being observed from the left lateral aspect. This is dorsal, this is cranial, this is caudal, and this is ventral. We have incised the left thoracic wall and are now reflecting it caudally. This is the left lung, which consists of two lobes, the cranial lobe and the caudal lobe. As you can see, the cranial lobe is divided into two parts. The caudal lobe, however, is undivided. We are now reflecting the left lung dorsally to expose the mediastinum. Here we can see the mediastinum, which is covered by the mediastinal parietal pleura. This muscular structure is the diaphragm, which is covered by the diaphragmatic parietal pleura. This space between the diaphragmatic and costal parietal pleura is known as the costodiaphragmatic recess. Here, within the mediastinum, the thread-like structure shown is the phrenic nerve responsible for innervating the diaphragm. The mediastinum itself is subdivided into cranial, middle, and caudal regions. The heart resides in the ventral portion of the middle mediastinum. The thymus lies cranial to the heart within the ventral portion of the cranial mediastinum and is typically only visible in young animals. These vessels passing through the pulmonary hilus are the pulmonary veins. Each pulmonary vein is responsible for draining a specific lobe of the lung. These veins here. The internal thoracic artery is seen here coursing through the mediastinum. This fairly visible artery is the left subclavian artery. This is the left subclavian artery. I'm pushing the left lung ventrally. With the lung retracted, the descending aorta is now clearly exposed. And again, you can see the left subclavian. As you can see, retracting the sternum ventrally reveals the internal thoracic vessels clearly. These vessels are within the mediastinum. As mentioned earlier, this layer is the left mediastinal pleura, which forms the left boundary of the mediastinal space. Now this tubular structure seen here within the mediastinum is the esophagus, and dorsal to the esophagus the descending aorta is located. Accompanying the esophagus are the dorsal and ventral branches of the left vagus nerve. Here, these two little branches are the dorsal and ventral branches of the left vagus nerve. Thank you for watching this educational video. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. See you soon.